Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Wapter. Today we're going to be unboxing some survival toys and our Jurassic World Rebirth facts. So let's get into it. So we're also going to be taking a look at my past survival figures, except for the Vespasaurus or whatever it's called, because I lost it. Well, let's start off with this Jurassic World Survival Monolophosaurus. I'll unbox figures. But yeah, I really wanted this Monolophosaurus to add to my Monolophosaurus collection. I have a lot of them. It's pretty cool. I like the colors. Great a difference from my other ones. But it's pretty cool. I like it. I got the Plesiosaurus. I really wanted a Plesiosaur in my collection, so glad to have that guy. We have got the Pteranodon. Love the coloring and the lights. And then we finally have this massive pack. This massive pack. We've responded to this pack, so let's get this unboxed. And I have all the stuff unboxed. So let's take a look at it. Starting with the Monolophosaurus. I gotta switch these over. So we got it's pretty cool. Like it. No, its mouth opens. Just basic like movement. Really excited to use this in some stop motions. Will go really well with my other Monolophosauruses. And yeah, pretty much like what you'd expect. The neck turns and the tail turns. Basically, just like pretty good deal. Here's the scan code if anybody's interested. And yeah, let's move on to the Plesiosaurus. So here's the scan code. It is pretty cool. I like how it's like mutated, got the teeth, and it looks, like a Plesiosaurus. I'm so happy to get one of these in my collection. And yeah, the fins. I love underwater creatures. Like I love marine reptiles. I love marine reptiles. It's so cool. Yeah. I love how it's like mutated on the sides of the neck. Somebody tell me in the comments if it is or not. Yeah, pretty nice. Sorry for the messy floor, by the way. I'm recording this in my basement, and these fuse beads spilled all over. Yeah. Now let's take a look at actually my recent one of those guys. The Dimetrodon. He's pretty cool. I like the mutation stuff. The thing is shiny and rubbery. And yeah, it's like really nice. And here's the scan code. Yeah. Now let's take a look at the Pteranodon. So the wings kind of look like bat wings. Yeah, they can fold in and out. They're really cool. And the coloring is like the star of the show. Like the coloring is so good. It's probably my favorite coloring figure. Still looking for the Ceratosaurus. But yeah, I love this Pteranodon so much. Like you can see the mouth opens. It's so cool. I love the coloring. And I love the color scheme. It looks really nice. Mutated feel. It's like Chaos Effect version 2. That's what Jurassic Park World Collector said. And yeah, I love his videos. But yeah, this is so cool. I love this figure. Now let's take a look at the past two. So the first one I got is the Bronchiosuchus or whatever. Again, I love hearing that cast. But honestly, I don't like the colors. I think it blends like in too much. I saw on the camera. It looks better than it looks better in person because my camera's a little weird. But yeah, the fins. Here's the scan code. Yeah, I love this figure. Really cool. Scan code. Might be a little blurred. And then yeah, I love the shine. It's pretty detailed. Now we have the Afrovinator. Just remember the name. You can press the side button. I've been using this figure for a while. Again, but pretty cool. I just wish I had a little more color. Yeah, it's pretty big. I like it. Here is the scan code. And then now we will move on to the biggest thing. So here is the Spinosaurus. So I wasn't interested on bringing my my more recent Spinosauruses, but this is really cool figure. I've seen this in a lot of stop motions, and I'm really excited to use it because it looks really good for it. And I love how it made a different coloration than the other ones, made it more yellow, and like just made it better instead of just like making it mostly brown and just like a little yellow. And also like they made it really dark, but this one's like lighter, and that's why I like it the most. Here's the scan code, and yeah, really cool. So now we have the human figure. So I'm actually not like, I don't really like the Jurassic World human figures. I might get some hate for that, but I just don't really like them. I just don't like the Jurassic World human figures. That's why when I'm like doing some stop motion with like humans, I just usually do Lego because it's easier to pose them. Like I just don't really like the human figures, but you know, pretty cool, really detailed. Dr. Loomis, Zora, and then we have a knife, a flare gun, and a rifle. Whatever, it's the DNA collector rifle. But yeah, that's it for the video. Subscribe.